Vikas, I'm planning a vacation next year. Can mutual funds work for short-term goals like that?
Yes, Sapna, mutual funds can be used for short-term goals too. The key is choosing an option that suits your time frame and comfort level.
So, I don't need to invest only for the long term.
Not at all. Mutual funds offer flexibility. You can choose based on how soon you'll need the money. However, some funds do come with a lock-in period. For short-term plans, it's good to look for options that aim to offer potential stability.
That sounds practical. I'd rather keep things steady for something like a trip.
Exactly. When your goal is close, it's smart to keep things simple and aligned with your timeline.
So, plan the goal first and then pick the investment.
Spot on, Sapna. That's how you make your money work with your plans. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.